my face. I'm gonna sit there like a little bitch.
Yeah, it's funny.
Hey,
I
dude.
just eat all his pie right in my face. Yeah. You just say you're food in it. Yeah, I just got all over my shit. Yeah.
Hey, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, dude. We're gonna sneak up on the house one day when you're gonna get fart on, bro. You got a fart coming to your face, bro.
We fuck around here in America, dog. We're not fucking literal. We fuck around and shit's happening.
You got a fart coming to your face, Brandon.
What the fuck, dog?
Your face is due for a fart, bro. Fart. Can you tell that the forecast? Can you tell what the forecast is? You smell a fart coming to your face.
Look, what's the forecast?
It's cloudy.
What is it? It's what? It's cloudy?
Cloudy extra fart.